Mallacoota. Mallacoota, mist rising off the sea. Betka winds whisper, wild and free. Pelicans glide where the black swans roam. Your rivers and skies feel like home.
Mallacoota, oh land by the tide, where Genoa Peak stands tall with pride. Gabo's light shines bold and true. This is the place we're drawn to you.
Oh, Mallacoota, this is the place we want to be. Children laugh near the old wooden jetty. Skies above calm and wide and steady. Through mirror lakes and the old tea trees, your soul sings low on the coastal breeze.
Mallacoota, where my spirit flies, with Gabo's tall beacon lighting the skies. Genoa Peak on the horizon clear. This is the place that draws us near. Mallacoota, this is the place we want to be.
Through fire and flood, you've stood so brave. Your heart is the gift you always gave. Stories and songs by the candlelight. Home's not a house, it's the starlit night.
Mallacoota, you cradle the bay, where the sun falls slow at the end of day. Oh, we will wander, but faithfully. This is the place